Welcome to the Royaltie Overview presentation. Online marketing is the #1 source of customers worldwide. It's even bigger than TV. But 99% of independent business owners do not market online. Why? Because of all the complex systems needed to succeed. Online marketing is highly complex. First, you need a website. Building a website on WordPress, Wix, or ClickFunnels can be difficult. 2, SEO or search engine optimization for your website can be time-consuming and expensive. 3, advertising online on multiple platforms means you have to learn each platform, create an ad according to their rules and regulations, their specifications, and set and manage daily ad budgets. 4, social media marketing requires consistency and content. Platforms like Hootsuite allow you to schedule posts, but it is still up to you to find the content. 5, creating a blog can be daunting. It takes time. However, it is important for SEO and to stay top of mind as the expert. 6, email marketing systems can be complex to learn and integrate, but are needed to follow up with prospective clients. 7, customer relationship management systems are needed to stay organized, but here is another system to purchase, learn, and integrate. 8, analytics are the backbone of decision-making for online marketing, so you need to be aware of analytics to make adjustments. Purchasing, learning, and integrating each of these systems can be difficult. Seems complicated, doesn't it? Not anymore. Introducing Royaltie, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Terabytes of data drive our proprietary algorithms. With 20,000 daily users, 196 industries, 1.1 billion ads and social posts, 50 million clicks, 120,000 websites, and 3 million marketing activities daily, our AI engine is getting smarter every day. Royaltie provides a complete online marketing presence, 100% automated and powered by AI. You'll get a website. 2, search engine optimization on that website. 3, advertise online. 4, social media marketing. 5, blog. 6, email marketing. 7, CRM, and 8, analytics. Let me show you how simple they are to do with our Royaltie AI system. 1, your website will be done. Your website will be custom built the moment you sign up. Make changes anytime. No need for technical knowledge. Or just let our AI engine keep improving it over time. 2, your SEO done. Our proprietary algorithms will continually optimize your website so you rank higher and higher in Google searches, making it easier for customers to find you. 3, your online ads done. Take the guesswork out of advertising. Our AI engine will automatically create ads that are proven to drive the most traffic to your site. 4, your social media marketing done. Every day, our AI engine will suggest relevant professional social media content to engage your audience and generate leads for your business. 5, your blog done. Our system will recommend the most interesting articles, videos, quizzes, and more for your live blog, effortlessly building your brand as an expert in your field. 6, your email marketing done. Keep your business top of mind with regular email newsletters, generated automatically and optimized by AI. 7, your CRM done. Manage your prospects, customers, and teammates in our simple, intuitive, fully integrated system. 8, your analytics done. See all your key marketing analytics, website, social media, online ads, email marketing, and more in one simple turnkey interface. With Royaltie AI, your website done. Your SEO done. Your online ads done. Your social media marketing, done. Your blog, done. Your email marketing, done. Your CRM, done. Your analytics, done. Royaltie, your marketing, done. Do your thing. We'll do the marketing. Here are a few testimonials we want to share with you. Jonathan, a realtor, says, the thought of trying to create a website, blog, newsletter, content, and all of the things needed to market online was so overwhelming. I can't believe how easy it was to get started with Royaltie. I now have all of my marketing done for me with fresh new content daily. I'm so happy to say online marketing is no longer intimidating. Tiffany, in the bottom left-hand corner, a network marketer, says, I always knew that the key to success in network marketing was to create a duplicatable system so my team can share in my success. The tools I used before Royaltie were so difficult to implement in my organization that it made marketing online difficult. I'm so glad that I found Royaltie because my team and I are duplicating, and even the beginner is having success. The top right-hand corner, Kimberly, a hairstylist, says, online marketing has been confusing for me. I now have an online presence, and I can stay in contact with people interested in my services with the push of a button. I am so glad I found such a simple marketing platform. And Walter, bottom right-hand corner, an insurance agent, says, this is the easiest marketing platform I have ever used. I have always understood the power of online marketing, but connecting multiple systems and keeping up with marketing took up a lot of my time. I am so glad I was able to free up my time and get better results using Royaltie. It's easy to get started with us here at Royaltie. Let's go over our simple pricing. We have our starter package for just $57 per month with a one-time $30 activation fee on this package. If your business is just getting started, this plan will let you access all the key features at an amazingly low price. You'll get one AI marketing campaign, 3 websites, 2,500 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, and a free sample of 2,500 online ads per month. We also have our entrepreneur plan, our most popular package, at just $87 per month. This plan is perfect for businesses that are up and running and ready to grow. You'll get 3 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 10,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of 5,000 online ads per month. We also have our small business package for just $327 per month. If your business is rocking and rolling, you need an unlimited plan to support your limitless vision. You'll get 10 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, unlimited marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing analytics, and a free sample of 25,000 online ads per month. Royaltie, your marketing done.